What's up, YouTube? So it's Christmas morning right now. I'm getting ready to go out and do a little top speed ride on my XXX. Having a little taco Christmas, doing some shredded beef. Gonna be making some taco shells later, some refried beans cooking. But yeah, so let's get into it. All right, so now we're out here. Before we get into the top speed, let's just go over some of the specs because they make a difference. First, I'm going to be running the 54 tooth sprocket in the non-O-ring chain. So this is a bigger sprocket than it comes with stock. I think it comes with a 48 tooth stock. So it's going to bring down the top speed probably a few miles an hour. I did that because I like the bottom end torque and I want some efficiency gains as far as range. I'm going to be using this GPS application for my speed, because when you change the gearing you have to update some settings in the display, and I don't know how to do it, so I'm just going to rely on the GPS. More accurate anyways. My weight is 265 pounds, I wish, 265 pounds, so that's going to play a factor too. The charge, it's 92% charged right now. The percentage is going to play a little bit of a factor. So the higher charge, I think the higher top speed you're going to get. But I'm above 90%, so it shouldn't make any difference between like 90 and like 100%. So that being said, let's go out and do some couple top speed runs and see how fast we can get it. Cop over there, just don't make eye contact. All right, so I'm going to hit it right after these little bumps right here. Full throttle. Let's do it again, full throttle. So it's like 43 miles an hour with the 54 tooth sprocket. It's about as fast as we're gonna get, which is fine by me. Right now, it's still a lot funner with the increased torque, so I'm not too worried about it. And then when I go and upgrade to a 72 volt system, the new battery and controller, this thing will go, 65 to 68 miles an hour or something like that. I was out here power wheeling it the other day. The next test I'm going to do is a range test in sport mode, just like kind of regular everyday riding that I do. Some streets, some sidewalks, exploring around the different off-road trails and stuff like that. I want to get a real world range, so that'll be the next video with the XXX coming up. Thanks for watching, guys. That's going to be it for this one. Like, subscribe. Give me some feedback if you guys have any. I'm trying to improve my video qualities, and I'll see you next time. Bye.